today I'm going to make the new dev block for my Splogs game. So gonna start with adding the new evolutions that I made. I already made the stats from it, so you can see Splogs Evo 2. So I will import it real quick in my main game from Splogs library. Import. I will take the name here, copy paste it, put Splogs Evo 2. Okay, so now for the image I will care for different names. Let me get the names real quick. So for evolution of alpha, it's Arla. So Arla img equals pygame dot image load, and we're going to load this image from the OS path to gonna down the image folder. Where there we're going to take the image in question, which is arla.png, and I think we can already convert it right away so that we don't have to do it again. So now don't forget to put thing to Arla, so always save, because if ever it crashes, don't lose everything. So next up we're going to import the evolution of Gorgos, which is Targong. So Targong img equals pygame dot image dot load os dot pet dot john image folder, and the name of the, and it's targong.png dot convert alpha. I'm going to copy paste it so that I don't have to write a line every time I add someone. So now the evolution from Vegas. So this is going to be Varga. Okay, next up we have version of Elytra, which is Elywasp, and it's elywasp.png. Okay, so now we have all the image. Now I'm going to add some scores so that we know when we have to evolve. Score equals 0 in the beginning. And every time we win a battle, it will so here when if pressed I also going to do it if win, it's if win right, see if wins when I'm going to make it so that equals 1. So let's add scroll right. Now normally we will get. So now we're going to need a Splog Evolver. So to add to the sequence here. Elif. First I'm going to create a new var. Look for it. So I'm going to make the variable Splog Evolve equal false, of course, in the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going to make the function which is going to make this block evolve. So let's look for function tabs. Okay, here it is. Now here def evolve if scroll equals, let's say, 3 buttons to evolve Splogs. Then we're going to make a Splog. I think we can get rid of the non-Splog evolve var, is not necessary actually. So let's get rid of this. Let's get back down here. Okay, so now it's if scroll 3, then we need to find if chosen Splog equals Splog library. Yes, it's Splogs library. My bad. Splogs library. Confirm. Then we will make chosen Splog equals. Ah yes, I'm stupid. I will need the Splog evolve if I want to make the evolve screen, of course. So let's add a variable back. So Splog evolve equals false, but here when it actually evolves, it will make Splog evolve equals true. There's already a global variable that we can add. Global chosen Splog and Splog evolve. Alright, so now alpha is upgraded to Splogs Evo 2 Arla. I think I did it with capital letters. Yes, I did. So don't forget to add them. Hopefully I didn't do any mistakes. Alright, so now we have this. So now I am going to have to do this for every Splog. If okay, so elif chosen Splog equals Splogs. So I will see you after I did every one of them. See you in a minute. So now I have made the evolve function, which does that it choose the chosen sprout equals something. So now I can finally evolve my Splog. So now what I will have to do next is make for every Splog a class so that I can display it on my in a game. And I will also already make the Splog evolve. Okay. Screen, so Splog evolve. Elif Splog evolve equals 12. Then I will just literally copy the already existing Splog data display screen. So Splog display screen not jar screen and Splog not data not update. So I will probably also take, let me see where I use it. I can just copy paste the buttons. Here it is. Then I don't have to take care of all of this. Let's put this here. And no, it's not called cheating, it's called reusing already made code. So now that I have my Sprout data display menu to show my Sprout evolves, I will now have to make each cross for each Sprout. So I will quickly put them. This is for the enemy. We look for the one before. It all stays the same. Wait, this might change. Actually, no, it's still the same. Let me look real quick. Continue button. Okay, here they are. So underneath this, I'm going to make the class Agala Splog. This is a by game. Sprite. So herein I'm going to make the function init self as variable. Sorry for the connection, Windows connecting sounds. So here I'm going to start with pygame sprite. Sprite dot init self. So now that I have done this, I can self dot image. This will be the image on Splog, and so it will be Arla. Because I already have converted it, I don't need to convert it a second time. So Arla image. Then I will not have to make it a button, so I will not have to do still self-rect yet to self image dot height. This will make a rectangle of the image. Now that I have done this, I can actually just do def update and just basically just pass this, as I don't really need it for the moment. So it will share this. Yes, I will need to add every Splog here so that I get the image. This will be for later, but I will keep it as a note. Let me note it on paper real quick so that I don't forget it. Okay, so now I can continue. Okay, so where was I? Yes, I was at Orla unfound. Okay, so this I will pause for a moment as I don't have any kind of thing. So I'll make autoclass and edit and see you afterwards. So I am now going to change something in CD Splog, as I have a lot of new Splogs to add here. So I will do this real quick. See you after. Or else I will do a quick time lapse for you. So quick edit, I forgot to say the image is 400 on 400 pixels and the other are 200 on 200, so I will need to scale it to 200 on 200. So let me do that real quick. So pygame.scale our image 200. Everyone, so I finally did the evolution, so now it works. So what I did is changing some things in the evolve function. So I made it so it changes the variable chosen Splog name, because I made a big mistake thinking I could do an elif without changing the base variable of the first if, which is not possible. So evolve. I also changed the evolve screen itself. So instead of making a leaf evolve, which is again the same error as last time, I made a leaf stage blah blah blah. And if stage 16, then if Splog evolve equals true, then it only shows the Splog data screen or evolution screen. So, and if my Splog did not evolve, skip this stage and go to the next one. So now I'm going to show the Splog game with the evolutions. So of course I will take because skip the dialogue so we can see the actual evolution stuff. Now you can see the new evolution is Varga. So he has a roll. His first attack is roll and the damage is 9 with a cooldown use of 20. His HP is 850 and his cooldown fluid is 120 and his intake is 40. So this is the game for the moment. I will keep you posted with further Devblock. See you in another episode.